Why did we remove solar panels that have been working for almost 3 years? Not because we're upgrading, not because they failed, but because the next structure would run straight into their location. Today's project is building a lean-to roof over the Conex. The roof will extend all the way to the edge, and the original solar mount sits directly in the way. So the first step was taking the panels down. 2 panels, just under 300 watts each. A small system, but mounted in a very important spot. The original mount was made from light steel pipe, held on with U-bolts. It worked for years, but it had started to bend slightly. Strong enough to hold panels, not strong enough to carry anything more. This time, we changed the approach. No clamps, no bolt-on brackets. We switched to thick-wall steel tubing and welded it directly to the front of the Conex. Before welding, the paint had to be ground off. Our small generator couldn't handle the load, so we switched to a larger one. The welds aren't pretty, but they're solid, built for weight, wind, and time. Once the mount was set, the solar panels went back up, position adjusted, angle corrected. Before building the roof itself, there was one more critical step, leveling the Conex. The back end sat a few inches lower than the front. We used a 12-ton bottle jack, lifting slowly, adding blocks, lowering, adjusting again, until the bubble finally centered. Then came the main beams. 4 by 6 timbers lifted onto the roof. That's when the next problem showed up. The top of a Conex is only flat in the center. The rest is ribbed for strength. If the beams sat directly on those ribs, the load wouldn't be even. Over time, something would fail. So we built custom metal spacers, measured on site, cut, welded, drilled, primed. Each beam was then bolted through the spacers and into the Conex, sealed with silicone to keep everything watertight. Once all the beams were in place, we ran string lines, matched roof angles, and marked the cuts. And just as we were ready to keep going, the weather changed. The wind picked up, rain moved in, so we stopped. Not finished, just paused.